Hey everyone and welcome! So, I just got back from Launceston, Tasmania, and I have to tell you about the amazing place I stayed, the Commodore Regent Hotel. Before I dive in, definitely scan the QR code on the screen now. It'll take you right to their website, so you can check it out for yourself. Okay, so let's talk about why I loved this hotel. First off, location. It's practically perfect. You're super close to the heart of Launceston, only about 5 kilometers away, so you can easily explore everything the city has to offer. And if you're flying in, bonus. It's only a 20-minute drive from the airport, which, trust me, after a long flight is pure gold. The hotel itself is just lovely. It's got this really warm, welcoming vibe, you know? They've got 44 rooms, all designed with comfort in mind. Check-in starts at 2:30 p.m., which gives you plenty of time to relax and settle in. Plus, you get a nice, leisurely checkout at 10 a.m. No rushing around. And here's a big plus for families traveling with kids. Children of all ages stay free.
How awesome is that?
It's a fantastic option if you're looking for a family-friendly hotel in Launceston. Now, let's talk amenities. They've got free Wi-Fi everywhere, which is a lifesaver for staying connected and sharing all your amazing travel pics. And you know I'm all about that. They also have secure luggage storage, so you can explore without lugging your bags around. Seriously convenient. And there's a convenience store right there on site, so you can grab snacks or anything else you might need without having to go anywhere. Oh, and did I mention free parking? Yep, that's another big win. Seriously, I had such a great experience at the Commodore Regent Hotel. From the location to the amenities and the friendly atmosphere, it made my trip to Launceston even more memorable. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to their website using the QR code, or click the link in the description and book your stay. You won't regret it. Happy travels, everyone!